lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz and I post a lot of beauty related content. If that's something you like, please subscribe down below. Now this week we are doing Colourpop week, which means I have a new collection to test. I'm going to do the Valentine's collection. When I ordered this, a lot of it went out of stock really quickly. I'm really sorry, but there is people having a party in one of the blocks around here, so you might hear a lot of yelling and shouting. I'll really try and cover it up as much as possible, and because the mic's here, hopefully me talking covers up their noise. I don't understand why they're having a party. Like, it's COVID, isn't it? I don't even know who it is because I can't see around the corner, but it's like one of the blocks around the corner. That's how loud it is. But yeah, so let me just show you the products. These did go out of stock quite quickly, but then they restocked it on Valentine's Day. Then this took about 3 weeks to get to me. It's crazy. Why is this eyebrow darker? I don't understand it. In my mirror it doesn't look darker, but apparently it is. So let's just get straight into the products. So we have 3 blushes. We have Kiss and Tell, My Type, Love Me Not. If I'm shouting, I'm literally trying to shout over their music so you don't hear it and it doesn't wind you up. They are really nice blushes. I have swatched all of these in my own time and they're not like too dramatic. I don't know how they would do, like for me, I could probably get away with all of them on my skin tone, but I'm not sure about like other people with darker skin tones or even like medium skin tones. Hold on, I can't even open it. This is the first shade, Kiss and Tell. Again, I don't know how these will do on like darker skin tones. I'm sorry if I don't know what I'm saying sometimes because the music is really putting me off. So that is the palest shade, and I do love the packaging. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up. Then we've got the red one in Love Me Not. This is the shade right here. This one again I thought would be darker than it actually shows up, but it's, I don't know, it looks buildable. Let's just say that it does look buildable. That was 2 layers. They are very hard to open. Look, now there's a helicopter. Like, I just want to film these last 2 videos today. The pink one in My Type. Let's see how bright this one is. There it is right there at the bottom. Then we have 3 £5 palettes. I love these little palettes. I still haven't used my other ones, but it's fine, I'll get round to them. So this one is called SWAK. I don't know what that stands for, but it's very lovely. Then we have 143. I have shown these all in a vlog, so go check out my vlogs. This is what 143 looks like. There's a pressed glitter in the middle of that one, whereas the other one just had a shimmer in the middle. Then we have the shade Melt For You. So I'm actually not sure what is in the rest of the collection because these are the only things I wanted to pick up. I know there was a heart mirror. I'll try and put a picture in the corner of like everything that was in the collection. But let me just put some base down and then we'll put a shadow on my eyes. I'm not going to swatch all the palettes, but they are lovely. The music's getting louder. Can they just stop? Just stop. I'm more drawn to the darker palette. I'm always drawn to darker, richer tones. That's just me. But I feel like maybe I should try the lighter one, maybe? Yeah, let's do the lighter one. So there's only 2 mattes in here, so I might take the darker matte from in this palette first and put that in my outer corner. So this shade here, which is called Mac. There's no mirror though, so, but there is a mirror in the little blushes. They're so cute. Some kickback. God, I feel like my house is vibrating from that stupid music. Like, it's not even proper music. It's like when you're all drugged out and you can't even hear what music's playing and you're just dancing, you know, when you see that. That's what it sounds like. That is insane. That is amazing. Now let's take Dutch from the palette Melt For You and just blend that out. I'd hate to actually be that person's next door neighbour. I need to stop moaning about it, but it's really peeing me off. That is blended out within seconds. That looks so good. And then from Melt From You, I'm going to take the shade Sweetie and just blend out the rest of the edges. Okay, now that shade has given it a bit more gradient. Those 2 shades were very similar. Very similar. So I'm going to do this as a cut cut crease halo eye, and I want to take the shade B Sauce, whatever that means. Put that in the center. Going back in with the SWAK palette, the red one, I want to take this shade here, which is called Canoodle, and blend out the edges. Must admit, this has worked really well. I'm going to go in with this pressed glitter from 143, the only palette we haven't used, so it's called My Boo, and just put that over the top. That glitter has like stars and circles in it. I'll do a close-up in a minute once I've done my other eye. So that is what the glitter is looking like on my eyelids. Hope that I was in focus, because I think I might not have been. You did really have to dig your brush in there to get the shade out. Sorry, my dog's barking now. But other than that, it worked really well. So there's a star on 4 shades that says not intended for use in the immediate eye area. All these 4 shades except for this one here. Okay, and they've called them pressed powder palettes, so probably so they don't have to get sued if someone gets something in their eye. I don't understand why people do that. Let me do the rest of my makeup and come back when we're putting blush on. I'm having such a mare with my eyelashes. I give up. I absolutely give up. I did put that coconut bronzer on from Colourpop, the only bronzer I own. Now let's put some blush on, and let me just go for the darker one, because you know that's what I want. I feel like because I chose to do something different, it's not working out. There was a lot of kickback. Very pigmented. Can you see it went down there? I really love this Rev foundation powder, and that's just been like, I've been using it as powder, and it really helps to get rid of the mistakes that you might make. Okay, I'm going under my eyes, and I'm going to go with this shade here that we started off with, which is MAC. And then for inner corner, I want to go in with the shade Bonbon, which is from the Melt For You palette. Sorry, I have ended up using all 3 of them. I didn't want to, but I have. Let's do a bit of highlight with Wisp. And for lips, I have California Love, which is a lipstick I recently bought and haven't tried. Very intrigued. Gonna use that dark lip liner Petal Please that I used in the Poppy video, because I just love this. Oh my god, this is perfect in the center. So nice and creamy. So this is the completed look. I'm very, very impressed. I love the lipstick, love the blush, love the eyeshadow palettes. They're very well pigmented. I do think 2 end shades in Melt For You and SWAK are very similar. Let me just swatch them. So this one's called MAC. It's a very dry formula, but it did work out really well. Wow. And then this one is called Dutch. Oh, okay. They're a little bit different, but that is the colour difference. The top one's from the darker palette, the bottom one's from the lighter palette. So overall, they did swatch really well. They performed really well. The glitter worked really well. I'm a bit weirded out that, again, they keep putting not eye safe, but yet you know they're eyeshadow palettes, but they're right in pressed powder palettes. But I think my overall favourite thing is the lip combo. You know what I'm like, I love a good lip combo. So yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.